Assalamualaikum viewers, it's me Hassan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am to tell you the best car accident lawyer in New Jersey. So open the Chrome, search here car accident lawyer in New Jersey. So here is the result. I am to open this website lawnewjersey.net. So here is the reason what you have to do after an auto accident in New Jersey. Car accident injury claims are deeply complex. Too many auto accident victims make mistakes immediately following their wreck. As a result, it becomes more difficult for them to make a complete financial recovery. If you are involved in a car accident in New Jersey, there are several steps you should be sure to take. Number 1. Report the crash. Number 2. Get medical help. Number 3. Collect evidence. Number 4. Consult a New Jersey car accident attorney. Why should you hire a lawyer after a car accident in New Jersey? When you feel stressed and shaken after a car accident, an insurer may try to take advantage of you. The insurance company will likely call you for statement before you have even had time to collect your thoughts. Instead of speaking to the insurance company immediately, you should call a New Jersey car accident lawyer. An attorney can help you think through your recollections of the accident. You will be prepared for insurance concern. After you give a statement to the insurance company, your car accident lawyer can take over negotiations. Car accident lawyer know New Jersey law and they understand the confusing terms on insurance company policies. This gives an attorney an advantage in negotiating with the insurance company. Though an insurance company might be able to intimidate you into agreeing to a meager settlement, those tactics don't work on our New Jersey car accident attorneys. We deal with insurance companies routinely and they don't intimidate us. What car insurance policies are available in New Jersey? Personal injury protection coverage, liability insurance policy. And here's another question: how can a car accident lawyer help? Even though all drivers are supposed to carry PIP insurance, you may find yourself needing a New Jersey car accident lawyer. A law can help you negotiate with the insurance company to avoid a lawsuit. However, if negotiations don't lead to a fair payment or if you have serious injuries, your car accident law can file a lawsuit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information is enough for you. You guys can contact lawandj.net. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. For then, that peace out.